Fred Miller, No Sweat Public Speaking. Do you want to improve your public speaking? Well, now is the time to observe the good and the bad. Watch those debates. Watch the interviews with the candidates. Oh my gosh, the reason Trump is trumping everyone, the guy is natural. He is not scripted. He's just saying it like it is. People feel they could sit down with the guy, have a beer. He's one of them. Some of the people, not going to mention any names, Jeb Bush, is sometimes reading his speech. Oh my gosh, you don't gain a whole lot of credibility that way. And other people are so afraid what to say. What Trump says is right. People are they want to be politically correct. Now, he has been off the wall. But that's what people love about him. He's unscripted. He's unscripted. He talks like this, doesn't he? And if you look at the guy's persona, his body language, his facial expressions, his gestures, he has no fear. That's what people love. Now, I'm not going to get into his ideas. They may not be the best. But he certainly has created a lot of buzz. And I'll bet you the other speakers are going to pick up their game when it comes to debating, giving interviews, answering questions. Watch the debates and learn. This stuff works. I got to tell you, Fred Miller, No Sweat. Public speaking.